welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting day 2 of our decluttering challenge. So today we are doing our coat closet. So we're going to be taking everything out of there, sorting through, deciding what needs to stay, what needs to go, cleaning the area, and then putting everything back in a very organized way. So let's go ahead and get started. We have all of our coats and shoes in this area of our home. You may have multiple places in your home where you store these things, so I would recommend on picking one of those spaces, starting with that. If you get that cleaned out and organized and you feel like you have the time, go ahead and tackle another area. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum out the closet, mop, and then I'll wipe off the shoe racks and the containers. And then we'll go ahead and start putting everything back. Okay, so I just wanted to take a second and talk about this container. I added this container into our closet last year when I did our big coat closet declutter, and it has been a total game changer for us. So we used to store all of our hats and gloves and scarves in this big paper box, and every time we needed something we had to dump it out, dig through it, and find what we needed. It was a mess, and we could never, we never even wanted to pull stuff out of it because it was such a big ordeal. So I found this container, I sorted all of our stuff out. We've got our hats, gloves, and scarves in each drawer, and it has been so nice. You can just open up the drawer, grab out what you need, take it, and when you're done with it, you can stick it back in the drawer and close it. So definitely worth it. If you have the space, it's maybe something you want to think about investing in. Okay, so one of the things I want to do is I'm going to add labels to the front of this drawer system here so that the other people in our house know what's in the drawers and where things go. So that way they can also find what they need, but they can put it back as well. So I planned on doing this last year, but I never got around to it, so today's the day. So here's one more look at the before. And now the after. Alright, so there you have it. This is day 2 of our challenge completed. Now we are ready to move on to day 3. So if you're still watching this video at this point, be sure to leave me a comment down below. I want you to comment a shoe emoji so I know you're still watching. And our day 3 challenge is going to be our food pantry. So we're going to be taking everything out of there, decluttering it. So if you're looking forward to seeing that, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video when it comes out. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye. And here's your sneak peek for day 3 of the Declutter challenge.